Hi everyone, Anselm here. We're developing a new way for you to view and use survey plans, and we need your help. We're inviting you to have a go at our digitally visualised survey plan prototype and provide feedback on how this new way of working might impact you. You can test the prototype by going to our website, downloading a test survey plan, accessing the viewer, and then opening the survey plan in the viewer. You can find more information about the proposal and the prototype on our website. You can provide your feedback from now until the end of October. We'd prefer to receive your feedback through professional bodies, but we're also happy to receive individual submissions, which can be sent to our email below. We're keen to understand from all of our customers whether you think these survey plans will help or hinder your work, in whatever way you use them, and ensure their quality. Please give the prototype a go and let us know what you think. Thanks in advance for your help.